Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your funds with Zelle, full guide step by step clearly. To begin using Zelle for transferring funds, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded or access it through your bank's mobile app. Open the app and sign in to your account. If you're using the Zelle app, you might need to set up your profile first. You will be prompted to enter your email address or mobile number. Next, link your bank account by following the on-screen instructions. Once your account is linked, choose Send Money or a similar option in the app. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information for accuracy. Input the amount you wish to transfer. You may also have the option to add a note specifying the purpose of the transfer. Review all details of the transaction carefully. Confirm the transfer when you're ready to proceed. After confirmation, you'll receive a notification that your payment is on its way. The recipient should receive the funds within minutes if they are already enrolled with Zelle. If the recipient is not enrolled, they will receive instructions on how to claim the money through their email or phone number. Keep an eye on your account for a transaction confirmation. Should any issues arise, you can contact Zelle's customer support for assistance. That's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer funds using Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.